Today I'm recreating the crowbar from Half-Life, which is considered the most iconic item in all of gaming, second to only maybe the grass block from Minecraft. You should definitely check out my video on that after you watch this one. But we are going to make the crowbar using Blender, the free open source 3D modeling software that you can download right now. But if you just want to use the asset I create for your own project, feel free to download it using the link below. Now with all of that out of the way, let's start recreating the crowbar from Half-Life. First, I'm going to open up Blender and choose a new general file. And since I don't have insane photographic memory, I'm going to set up a reference picture, which I will use to shape our model to closely match the original, using the least amount of loop cuts to keep the model as low poly as possible, because I will totally use this finished model in a game one day. And you can use it in your game or whatever you want completely free. Just be sure to show some love by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, leaving a comment, and donating if you're able to. It would definitely help me out. And while I finish making the crowbar, let me tell you some cool facts about it. The crowbar was chosen instead of other melee weapons like a knife or baseball bat, mainly because Gordon Freeman is a scientist and not some sort of military soldier. And it was a good thing Valve chose to be different in that way, because Half-Life really set itself apart from all the other games at the time. The crowbar was also the perfect tool to demonstrate the new physics of the game. The original model of the crowbar in Half-Life had only 248 polygons, which is definitely not a lot compared to modern day assets. But I'm almost done shaping this crowbar, and the hardest part so far was making the claw, just because it's the most complicated part of the whole model. But choosing the right colors was my favorite part, because it really makes the whole thing look even better. And yeah, there we have it, the crowbar from Half-Life completely recreated from scratch using Blender. And the best part of this entire video is that you can download this model using the link found in the description. And while you're down there, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I put a lot of time and effort into these videos, and seeing your support means the world. Let's try getting this video to 15 likes, because I post videos like this one all the time. And let me know down in the comments what I should make next. Thanks for watching, and see ya.